Yeah, Sylvania, all right. We've got 7. We're wired. And we've got our Category 5 field. 4-5 field. Category 4-5 field. We're now staging at the line. If you're in this first race of the day here at the Sylvania Cycling Classic, we ask you to come to the line. It's looking like this is going to be a wet one, folks. We've got our head official, Mitch, checking numbers, looking over the field, and we're happy to be back for our 4th year Sylvania Cycling Classic.
Listening.
We're missing one guy.
I mean, we got Mitch.
21. All right, well, I'll go ahead and give instructions.
Category 4-5, if you're in this race, Category 4-5, we're on the line now.
The race will be 25 minutes. We'll let you do a couple laps. We'll do calculations, figure out how long your race is going to be, and we'll switch to laps. They'll be on the lap counter over here. All right, get ready to go on the whistle.
All right, we're about
Guys,
ready to
John
get
Carr, race
underway
director.
with our first race
We
today.
all appreciate you guys coming out here.
Let's just be careful.
Have fun today. Race hard. Enjoy yourselves. Have a good time.
All right, we're getting ready to fire it up.
All right, riders ready?
You too, man.
And they're off for our first race today.
Here, you guys. Here. Okay, get out here on the course. Let's put you, stay on the inside. Make sure you're in the gear you want to be in.
Copy that.
When you go straight up the right side.
Yeah.
Don't cross left.
Yep. Still got time, so catch your breath, get a drink if you want. I'll let you know when they come around the corner, and I'll step out of the way when you're ready to go.
You're in your gear?
Yeah, man. Here comes the moto, so you still have a little bit of time.
You get back in and you relax. You got 8 laps.
That kid survived.
Okay, first riders are coming around the corner. Get ready.
You don't tear stuff.
Hey, it's gonna be good footage.
All right, you guys ready? All right, let's go. Correct? You okay? Yeah.